Those are the tricks that you just do not see in the deep end. To see them in the shallow end is really impressive.
So coming unglued, going for some of the very technical tricks in the shallow end.
So Andy McDonald now dropping in for his fourth and final run. He'd love to drop his 37.8 second in the fourth.
Oh.
There's the lead barrier over the net. Take that
My mouth done.